What's going on, guys? Thought a ton more about this 2550 Les Paul, and it is the most screwed up neck, I think, in the history of neck repairs. Couple reasons why I think that, and I've seen a lot of your guys' photos on bad neck repairs. The biggest problem with this is that it's missing a whole bunch of chunks of wood from the front of the fretboard, front of the neck. The problem with that is I actually have to come in, route some of this out, and put a new piece of wood down so I've got a flat gluing surface. That makes this significantly tricky. At least when the headstock breaks off, you can glue it in and then repatch it. Here, I actually have to repatch a piece of the neck, which I haven't done before. So this technically isn't a headstock repair, it's a neck repair. And if I take off the veneer, like a couple of you guys are suggesting, which I actually thought about, if I slice off the front and the back, I won't have that much to glue on, and then I risk breaking off the neck right there again. So what I'm gonna do, and this is where I'm just sort of talking out loud and looking for your comments, is I'm going to route out about 1/8 inch of the wood and put a patch on here. I'm going to take the truss rod out first, though. I don't think the truss rod is going to work long term because of the way it was cracked. Even if it was sort of just bent back into place, my fear is that's going to crack again. So I'm going to take the truss rod out first, put a new one in, and then repatch this. That's the first thing. And then my genius idea here is I'm going to create a patch. And I'm going to patch this spot right here. I don't want to lose the serial number, and I don't want to lose the face of the neck here. I just don't. It's going to kill the value. So I'm going to cut this patch out here, like so, and then I'm going to route out the sides here and put in new pieces of wood that will then replace this big crack, or replace the crack on the side here, and we should get to exactly where I want to be. So just a quick video on this, on what I'm thinking, looking for some of your guys' feedback. Let me know what you think. Again, if you like guitar-related content, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.